You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute that.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Discord, Kicker, X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. Where's my Trade C? Come on back, Trade C. There you are. Hello. We have Chris, Rom, SW, July Peppers, Yama, Bear Goes Long, Jay Lush, Uncle Mark, Jay Prowse, Hockey Shane, RL, Rips Mob, Paul Yoon, Undefeated, Dino, good morning to you, Refuel, Agent, Refulgent, Black Sam, Pharaoh, Joe, Bo, Punisher, Ronnie, C100, Dane, Rule 1 Investor, PNQ Kid, good morning to you, Day Trader Rick, Morbay, OX64, good morning to you, Joe Bo, Day Trade Hustle, Stefan, Nick Pass, Quicksand, Carter in the building, David, Nito, and Quicksand, Buckalug, Scalp and Ticks, Theodore, Rocott, Candlestick Cowboy, McCrushin, Orman, W3, Mr. Dave Matthews, Big G. What's cracking, everybody? Yeah. What's cracking, baby? Market is rolling here. I did not have enough time to buy Apex accounts this morning, but might be able to have some time during the stream here. We have our alpha futures accounts to trade. We have some really negative news coming out about Microsoft this morning. Microsoft and Google, something about them adding to the amount of money that they're going to have to be spending on data centers, I believe is the headline. If anybody wants to correct me on that. That's what I was seeing on my end, just as I was going live. What happened to your Apex account? I haven't had an Apex account for like 3 or 4 days now. Where you been, brother? Where in the world have you been? I noticed your name. I'm surprised you're not keeping up here. Down 700 pre-market. Hopefully make it back. You will. Just be patient. All you got to do is be patient. Been a bit stupid on Apex PAs during Asia daily loss limit. Yeah, the daily loss limit will save you. That's one of the beauties of the new accounts is that the daily loss limit will actually save you. I'm going to try this short here. See if we can continue to break these lows. This is a huge key area, these 830s. If you remember last night when we were trading during Globex, the 830s were a huge level, big price level here. We are sending this lower here, nice short here. Looking for 20s to continue. We are only about $2,000 per account away from passing here, so see if we can get the VWAP to snap below these 20s. If we get that VWAP snap, this thing can be pretty speedy to the downside. So seeing if we can target, we have a lot of liquidity right below that. Watching here if we can roll this down into those 10s. Right now just dealing with the VWAP. Let's see if we can get that finessed through. We should get a new press release from the new supreme leader of Iran. That's what we're waiting for right now, apparently. Covered 3 there, down to 1. See, and stopped out. All right, nice, good trade. Anybody catch that alongside with me? Nice little short there. Oh, we are only about $1,800 away from passing now. Very nice. Drop a W in YouTube if you caught that. How are my YouTubes doing this morning? Where's my YouTubers at? Nice. This is that sneaky music again. All right, this is it. New Liquid Death. Never tried this before. I don't know what this is. It's called Murder Mystery. Okay, Murder Mystery. Give this one a whirl here. See what this one's all about. No sugar in this thing. Not bad. Tastes kind of like cherry Dr. Pepper. How much caffeine? Let me see. Great question. 100 milligrams. That's some weak shit. It's telling me you're live, but it won't show me your stream. Well, you're probably not hearing what I'm saying right now then. That's a problem. What are we waiting in for? Iran Rips, couldn't hear it correct. New Supreme Leader is going to make an announcement. Khamenei. In the next few minutes. So that should probably give us a lot of volatility. Back to the delivery service this week. I've been having the opportunity to focus on trading. Well, what, you were in the Philippines, right? Didn't you just come back? Dun, 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 dun. Five pack of TBT, 50Ks passed during Globex. Should get them into for tomorrow's trading session. Nice. I don't know if we're going to be live tomorrow or not. There is the crew in town that we're going to be hanging with today. We're going to be doing a lot of filming today and then probably an IRL stream tonight. So we are going to Illenium tonight at very late. So I don't know if I'll be up for tomorrow's Friday morning stream, just to let you guys know. Still figuring that out. AG Finance says, every time I come here, this dude does nasty loud burps. Time to leave. On your way out, go fuck yourself. Bend over, spread your cheeks, suck your own cock, and fuck yourself on the way out. But I will see you later when I come over to fuck your mom this evening. Have a good one. What's the over-under on how long he lives? I think 15 minutes is the poly market right now. Don't hurt your. That's funny. Words for the next burp. Can you say you have to listen to me more? Dude, I should. I haven't really watched a lot of that show. It was your turn with his mom today. It's okay. You got the 3 p.m. slot. His fucking fat ass mom. She's a real whore. Don't worry. You got the 3 p.m. slot. I think the entire neighborhood of where that guy grew up in has the 4 p.m. slot. They're going to take teams filling her up. Teams. Get those all screwed up all the time. They're going to take turns filling her up. I probably won't go for the 5 p.m. slot. She was filthy last time. She is a big bitch. What about 5:30? Something free? Yeah, she does the half hour for free at 5:30. I'm pretty sure. You just welcome to the party. I'm waiting for this Iranian leader to make an announcement. This is a little bit too spicy. There was some little bitch in here that was complaining about burping as I gave a free trade that gave out $1,000 worth of alpha if you weren't a fucking loser. But this little peanut butter bitch decided to tell everybody, he's like, you burp, I'm out of here. Ah! He's going to go watch some other fucking loser. So we're just talking shit about his mom. Gunny, I saw that. Gunny won, you won those accounts, right? Didn't you win those accounts? Wasn't that from a giveaway that you won those accounts, or are you just balling out of control? Rips uses humor and sarcasm to make the show entertaining. No, I'm being dead serious about how fat and disgusting that guy's mom is. That's not sarcasm. That's just a fact. You can look it up yourself. $107,000 on those accounts. You're killing it. Must be another payout due soon. Yes, we are very close. Let me check the Lucid dashboard. Let me see. Huh? These are $2,300 away from the next payout. So I'm done trading on these for the day. I'm going to wait until, well, we'll see if I trade tomorrow. Probably not. Probably do Sunday glow bags. Top Trade says, morning, Ribs. Good morning. How are you? Ribs watch, this guy's going to get bombed while doing the speech. I don't know about that. Charlie, are you already in there? I think you are, right? Are you Charlie FX or Charlie FX Soul? I can't remember. You're the guy with the lemur in your picture, right? Pretty sure. Okay. That's what I thought. Yeah, let me get that done too. Crazy, man. Since we're waiting right now, might as well get it done. That's annoying. Let's see here. I'm gonna send you a message, Charlie, because your shit's all fucked up. It's taking too much time already, so. There you go. All right, that's done. All right, Crazy Man, what is your name on there? Okay, let me see if I got you in there. Yeah, there you are. Okay, perfect. Yours is gonna work just fine. Okay. You're all set, buddy. All right, I think everybody's all caught up on the redemptions here. Let's do channel points. Let's do a gamble here. All right, gamble points are live. All right, this one's called Orange Horror. Should be very different than Murder Mystery. Murder Mystery tasted like, kind of like Diet Cherry Dr. Pepper or some shit like that. I don't know. Tastes like a watered down Sunkist or whatever the fuck the orange soda is. Tastes like a watered down orange soda. Interesting. Yeah, already polished Murder Mystery takes no time at all. Only 100 milligrams of caffeine, barely wakes you up, buddy. I don't know when this dude is supposed to come on, but we'll probably have to wait for the bottom of the hour now. Sucks because we missed a perfect PNC. Anybody catch that? I mean, that was so nice. I guess we could have just went for it. Oh well. You got the PNC? Nice. There you go. I've had Monster before. They had the Monster Zeros or some shit like that. Did you say you were not going to trade anymore today? I did not say that. You've asked that multiple times, and you should have taken the advice from other people in the stream where they said, go back, watch the stream at 50 or 20. Yeah. Monster is not bad. Last time I had it was at Complex Con. What's up, Dibs? How are you, buddy? Got the PNC for 90 doubloons. There you go. Dude, 45 to 25, 20 points. Jesus. You please share your water and caffeine? I don't even know what it is. Yeah, dude, Globex last night was fun. Globex last night was real fun. That was the best Globex we had all week, dude. It's a lot of fun. I had Mango Fuego C4. Last time I had C4 was like as a pre-workout. I've never had the drink C4. I've only had the got some news coming. No, no C4 no. Sobe? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I remember Sobe. You know where the name Sobe came from? I mean, a lot of people are already going to know the answer to that one. No? Really? Skip the 6734. Yeah, Candlestick Cowboy got it. Yep. There you go. That's where the company was starting, South Beach. Yeah, they went away real quick, actually, South Beach or Sobe. You have jobless claims coming up. That's why we're not in any trade right now. That's why we took the opening trade when we came live and made, I think, $1,200 per account. So that's it. That's all we got. Yes, indeed. I don't even think Sobe's around anymore. I gotta see. No, they're not around. This is for real. Like, what the fuck is going on? I searched for Sobe. I'm not joking. This is real. I just went on Amazon. I searched for Sobe, and this is what came up. I'm not joking. This is not a troll. It's real. How many reviews? 200 reviews. People are fucking insane. Like, you had to actually design that label and then go and bottle that. What the fuck is going on? All natural? What do you put in that? Jesus. The hell you guys put in that if it's all natural? The review says, doesn't taste like the real thing, but it tastes good enough. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it reminds me of Booty Sweat from Tropic Thunder. Jeez, people are crazy, bro. All natural, but dissy. Poison Ivy is all natural too. Yeah, it is. All right, we got 3.5 minutes until jobless claims come out. 3.5 minutes. Rips, a log question. Notice that every now and then the GC algos are only visible in Bookmap on one side of the PA. Is that an important tell in any way? Oh, algo question. I don't know. Maybe. I don't really get the question, to be honest. Visible on one side of the PA? How could they only be visible on one side? It takes two sides for every transaction. I don't really understand. Nice, you got hotkeys going, Trader Moose, on Trade C. Let's go. What's your favorite energy drink of all time? Probably Celsius. I'm trying this. I'm disappointed in this shit. It's not that great. It's just whatever, boring. It just tastes like a watered down orange soda, really. Like, how did you guys not figure this out better? I can't believe this went through QA and they were like, yeah, it's good. I have had cherry cola Celsius, yeah. So talking about resting orders on one side of the price action book map. I mean, can't really just have resting orders on one side. Here's GC, there's resting orders on both sides. How could you, there's no resting orders, the price is gonna fucking cap up. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Yeah, I love Balls. Balls is great. Balls Guarana, B-A-W-L-S. That's probably, dude, I used to drink that when I was doing some late night LAN sessions. Fucking delicious. Flavor on that is fucking amazing. But I think there's sugar in it. They don't make sugar free, do they? Let me see. How much sugar is in this? Huh, they don't have the, oh, there it is. 23 grams of sugar in Balls. Wonder if they make a sugar-free version of this. It's been around, I think they're probably the oldest energy drink, right? Around. All right, 30 seconds, here we go. Lock in, 20 seconds. Think sometimes the resting orders below are some 20 plus below and the ones above are very close to the price action. No, then it's your settings in Bookmap, bro. It's impossible to be like that, literally. The price would If there's no resting orders, the price is going to jump. That's what makes the market, is the resting orders. Jolt. All right, Canadian data is out. Who cares? Housing starts at 1.487 million. Trade balance at negative 54 billion. Jobless claims at 213,000. 2,000 less. Continuing claims pretty much in line as well. There were always obvious 100, 150 lots. At one point, ES had bracket orders that would stay 10 to 50 points away. I mean, dude, those are market makers that are protecting the price. That's their job, is to create liquidity in the book. They're there to make a market. So that might be what you're referring to. I don't know. Not sure. Any outside orders are there to protect against, insane amounts of slippage, just in case, but they'll usually pull if there's like a news event. So it's kind of, whatever. We're through the VWAP right now. Nvidia's rolling still. I'm gonna try this actually. See if we can get this continuation, since we are breaking this lower support. We have to break through 800 for this to work. I don't mind losing on this trade. We're moving into a big area of liquidity here. Because if that snaps, we're gonna get a huge reward on that trade, but looks like we're gonna have a pre-bounce into those 800s. All right, just cut him out there. If we bounce up to, say, the midpoint back around 830-ish, 835, 840, I can try that again. Let's see. We had a little bit of a feeler there. Somebody front ran 800s. They were just selling it so aggressively. We had 3 bouts where they were just like, okay, who cares? I was targeting a break of 800. Back in short here underneath 830. See if we have this continuation back down. Looking for that flush now through the 20s. Weakness through below the 30s is what I'm targeting on this. See if we have this staying weak underneath. A little bit of liquidity coming in just around 30s here. There's some players that are front running 20s. Let's see if we can get through this 20s and get it clean back to the downside here. Okay, through 20s. Looking for that clean resolution to hold below 20s. Right now it pulled up underneath 20s. Volume kind of died out too. See if we get this little continuation back below these 20s and then that fade through 15s. Very low volume continuation has left the building. Just need that little check through the 20s. There we go. Okay, filled most of it. I'm just gonna cut it. It's very slow. When they start moving the price around like that and they're not taking any kind of liquidity, it just becomes too much of a gamble because they can just slam that right back up, back to 30. So I'd rather take my points. It's just too risky. I want a continuation on this move. They're not giving us continuation. They might give it now, but I'm just not going to risk it. So. like when it stalls like that. It's just too unpredictable because anybody could sweep that up immediately. So even though I still think that we're going to come down, it's just the fact that we're running into literally no continuation is just annoying. Peasantry says, I went on severe tilt last night during Globex trade, taking 35 plus trades during 8 to 9:45, wiped out all the day's profits 2 times and flipped negative twice. I do not yet have the skill of knowing when not to trade. Was there anything during that bout of tilt that kind of clued you in? Was there anything that like screamed to you and was like, hey? Got the perfect video for you, my friend. What is it? Do you ever look at CBD? Yes. Going in another trade as soon as one was invalidated, and then going into another trade as soon as I exited a winner, and on. It was awful. I mean, you got to figure out a way to identify that sooner, right? The sooner that you identify that is how you kind of can intercept that from happening. You know what I mean? Yeah, there we go. We're rolling. Like this, like look at how, like you can't really see it, but it's blocked by my P&L here. But the volume got so fucking spotty right there. It's just like the volume dried up so fast. Super annoying. Pay the unders. All right. If it's wrong, you guys have Lido to blame. There you go. Paid the unders without checking. Let's do this. All right, 5 minutes for this one. There we go. What's up, Mohamedo? Can you elaborate on how you use CBD? How often do you take the divergences into consideration, or how big of a divergence affects your situation or your decisions, rather? I mean, it depends on when you're resetting your CBD. You can have multiple CBDs, right? You can have multiple CBDs where one is like resets at 8, one resets at 9, one resets at 9:30. It just depends, man. It's all. No, never mind. It's all to build a context, right? These things are all assistants in your context. You're trying to build the best contextual picture to help you guide you through your trades. That's really all it is. Bet 400 channel points on the overs, locking my account. There you go. That's amazing. Last night, Dakota was burning the 6730 break and ignored my analysis that it will fall and we'll hit the lows and break. We broke 6730, it failed, we made a new low. Nice, dude. Glad you flipped short for a different stream finally after trying to be long all my stream. That's good, man. Yeah, see how we're trading? This is why levels matter. You see how we're trading practically the exact same levels that we're trading during Globex last night? Y'all remember these levels. We were dancing with them. Caught that short with you last night, was epic. Yeah, a lot of people did, man. It was great. That was a lot of fun. That was a great stream. There was no retards. It was a retard-free stream. So it makes for a good stream. Sometimes we get retards. Rips, I ran stake up to 750, then ran into 10 straight player wins at Baccarat. Oh my God, dude, no, come on, bro. Live dealer? Were you doing live dealer? Fuck. Let me see what you are on the leaderboard right now. I'm disappointed. Not in you, but just that sucks. Dude, you're fucking 4th place in the leaderboard right now. LRAP, you dropped to 3rd. Always Ready's in second. But JT, you're in 4th place right now, bro. Fuck, man. That's so annoying. Sorry, bud. Globex was hilarious. People asking about your intestine color, dick lengths, like what the fuck was going on except for making money. Free deep. Oh, just keep it nice and tight, buddy. Wonder if Coffee got his account. No, dude, dude, the guy finally messages me and he goes, dude, I shit you not. The guy messages me and he goes, oh, somebody got the account. And then somebody posted on X that they got the account because they obviously rewound the stream and saw the DM and took the code from the guy. But holy shit, dude, there's just some people that should never be trading. I don't know how you can't figure out DMs. Like, I literally walked you down the fucking primrose path to how to check DMs. Like, holy shit, bro. That is next level, dude. The guy, like, created that X account fucking 5 days ago, so. Oh, well. So ridiculous, bro. Maybe they were old, bro. I mean, dude, I'm walking you through with a screen share. If you can't figure it out from that, like, holy fucking shitballs, bro. Like, I walked you through, like, go to my profile, click on my envelope. Like, if you can't even find where the fucking DMs are, like, it literally walks you exactly into the DM with the code. What kind of rule is that? I don't know. Stealing free prop account. I mean, dude, I don't blame him. The guy couldn't figure out how to open a DM, dude. I kind of deserved to get it jacked from you at that point. And it was probably somebody with multiple accounts anyway. Who knows? I don't know, man. Who knows? Maybe they were like 800 years old or something. I don't fucking know. Who cares? Trader Moose says, I'm 51 and I know how X and DMs work. It's not the age issue. It's no willingness to learn something new. Also, like, having a dude screen share and walk you through it unnecessarily, right? Most people aren't even going to go through those links, but like walking you through it step by step, it's fucking insane, bro. That was insane. Like, dude. All right, the watered down orange soda has been completed. We are on to Tropical Terror now. This is Tropical Terror. Let's see if this one tastes like watered down bullshit. Right now, not a big fan of this stuff. And only 100 milligrams of caffeine. Come on, guys, do better. But okay, that one's better. It's a stronger flavor than Orange Horror. It's literally lives up to its name. That's fucking Orange Horror. Tastes like watered down orange soda. Garbage. Tropical Terror is a little bit better. Slightly better. Hey, you're here. It was an account I never used for a DM, so I need to put a passcode in to use it, but all good. Still fuck with you. I mean, bro, be real though. After that many steps and that much time, you kind of deserve to go to somebody else. Chaundi says, dude, I told you I split tested all of those energy drinks and best served as enemas to be. Have you tried this shit yet? Have you tried Liquid Death? Have you tried this one? I mean, bro. Feels like a coffee, not an electric chair. I want the electric chair, though. The 3D energy drinks are solid. 3D. I got to see this. 3D energy. 3D energy drink. I've never seen this before. Cucumber melon? Strawberry lemonade? Liberty Pop? I mean, probably tastes a lot like the shit I'm used to. 200 milligrams of caffeine, 0 sugar, 15 calories. Nice. Pitch and catch? Not right now. No. Dude, there's too much pending news right now, and the fucking Iranian dude is not. Let's see. Kalameni. Are they all named Kalameni or something? The hell's going on? Why is this guy's name Calamani? Israel officials tell Axios their impression is that Trump is not planning to end the war in the next 2 to 3 weeks. I guess we go down a little bit on that. Oh, no, it's his son. Okay, well, see, this is the problem. You guys are watching a moron. You guys are watching a fucking retard. That was too hard for me to figure out. What are they all named Calamari? Dude, it's his fucking son, you moron. Oh, that part. Ah, yes. I guess that makes sense. Well, he's about to get blasted. That really is a dictatorship, huh? It's like when you put your penis on a potato. On a boat. Right? Isn't that the same thing? You flop your wiener on a potato when you're on a boat? A dictatorship? Dad joke. Stupid. I'm sorry, that was stupid. Told you you're watching a retard. What are you drinking? This is Liquid Death. I'm gonna trump these guys. I'm gonna come out with something with 200 milligrams of caffeine. I'm gonna make it actually taste good. I'm gonna call it Liquid Meth. This is just not great. What's the color of your intestines? Dude, that was the weirdest chat I've ever seen. I'm so disappointed. No wonder they sent me fucking 4 cases of shit. Nobody's buying it. Well, there goes my brand deal. You know, never gonna happen. You know, they can't even sell it, so let's give it away. This is terrible. God. I have fucking 4 cases of this shit. I don't know. Maybe after like 5 or 6 of them, I'll turn my opinion around. Dude, this just ain't it. It just tastes like watered down. Maybe if you like White Claw, it tastes similar to that kind of shit, you know? It's like a very, I don't know. How many energy drinks do you drink daily? Not enough, man. Truly not enough. Riley says, we Iranians are very happy the U.S. took out the supreme leader. We do not like him. Gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. What happened to good old espresso? That's what I start my day with. It's espresso, black coffee. Bustelo. Sometimes Starbucks. But, yeah. This was supposed to have, like, some type of caffeine in it that was, like, related to the coffee bean. I don't know. Cafe Bustelo fucks. It really does, dude. It's kind of the best one. It really is. Riley says, I moved to Germany from Iran when I was 12. Growing up in Iran, they made us chant death to America. For real? Are you making that up? Calamari. I thought Liquid Death was water-based energy drinks. I mean, bro, they made flavored-based energy drink. I don't know, dude, I don't know what I'm doing here. Like, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cases of this shit, and right now we're not feeling it. I don't know. Why would you make that up? Because a lot of people make up shit in my chat. I don't know. That's crazy. What would they do if you didn't chant? Would they throw you in the gulags? Man, I gotta try to get through this. There was another energy drink that tried to get me to drink their shit, and it was bad too. Why can't I get like a cool energy drink that's like, here, have this, and I'm like, damn, that's good. What the fuck? Gas prices increasing again. When I was at the pump yesterday filling up the SF90, I never look at whatever the fuck it is because the tank is so small in that thing. It's only like 13 gallons in that tank. But it was 60 some odd dollars to fill it up because the gas prices were like $5.24. And that's in Las Vegas. Las Vegas is generally pretty cheap for gas prices. I can't even imagine what it is in California. What's y'all in California? What are the gas prices for premium right now? Like $6? It's gotta be, right? $7? Woo! Yeesh. Buy a Tesla. No, I mean, dude, I barely drive as is. I don't care. $60 to fill up a Ferrari is okay. Costco is $5. Do you know how to play blackjack? Huh? That can't be a real question. 428 premium in Jersey. Yeah, I think it was 5. Well, you know, I went to the most expensive gas station, the one that's most convenient. It was $5.24 per gallon. And then I was driving further down the road and I was like, gas station passed me by. I was like, I should have went to this one. It was $4 something. I don't care. $6 in Sacramento. If you have an SF90, you don't care about gas prices. It's true. I mean, that's not a lie. Oh. It's a 13-gallon tank. You're not really thinking about it, dude. Really not. It's a very small tank in that thing. I think it's 13 gallons. Because I filled it up and it was almost empty and I hit 12 something in the gallons. Let's see. How big is SF90 gas tank? Let's see what it says. 18 gallon? No, it's not, dude. It had 2 bars left and I filled it up and it was 12 something. Maybe it was like shooting gas with such pressure. There's no way this has 18 gallon. What the fuck? No way. I only filled it up with 12. 68 liters. Let me see. 68 liters to gallons. It says 18 gallons. Well, what the fuck? Then my sensor's fucked up. Because I filled it up and it stopped at 12. Check reserve tank. Well, it has, dude, it's a hybrid. So it has 15 miles for the electric battery. So 12 plus 2 bars. Yeah, I mean, 2 bars should not be... It said that the range when I pulled up into the gas station was like 90 miles of range. So maybe, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Maybe they really want you to fill that thing up. I don't know. Maybe I'll stress test it. I'll go down to 1 bar next time. You have a backup tank? There's no way. Yeah, well, it stopped at 12.2 or something when I was filling it up. Who caught that pitch and catch? That's good comms right there. Jesus. Dude, are they going to have this dude speak or what? Like, can you just talk already, bro, so we can trade? 8 minutes till the top of the hour. I wanted Calamani's son to come in here. And is it Calamani? Calamari? What's his name? Kameni. There's no L in it. I don't know why I added an L. Kameni. USA gas tank meters are off. It moves down slowly at full and goes faster afterwards. Interesting. Riley, see, you have somebody talking back to you. They said, that's cap. They don't make people in Iran chant death to America. That guy's probably a Mossad agent spreading propaganda. There you go. Let's see. Fight's on, baby. Fight's on. Let's hear it, Riley. Khamenei. Big V just said that in chat. Let's see it. Chat fight. I hate... Wow, what was that? Thought I heard something in the song. 353 people watching on YouTube. 769 people watching on Kick. What do we have on X right now? 390 people watching on X. There we go. It's not in Kick Chat, Rips Mod. It's literally above you guys. This guy named Big V -Y3J. You guys are blind. 7-figure guy, the AI mod blocked that for you for hate. I have it set to the lowest moderation rate. The AI mod in Kick is funny, dude. Would love to see Rips in a Prius. Dude, there was actually a Prius that, I don't know if it was like a concept version of it, but it was like dialed in with like a sick body kit and actually looked okay. New Prius with body kit, like a wide body Prius. And I was like, oh, that looks pretty chill. Like for a JDM? Or was it? It looked all right for JDM. Yeah, I mean, this was it right here. I mean, for JDM, that's pretty saucy. You know? That looked alright. I thought it was fine. So, yeah, whatever. I thought it looked cool. Just wide body that bitch. The whole mag dedicated to those in Japan. Yeah, dude, I was into JDM shit. You know what car I really wanted for the longest time? I still haven't ever had one. Is a Supra, and I wanted to do it I think it's a 94 Mark II Supra, the one that Paul Walker has in the original Fast and Furious, the orange one. A friend of a friend, Rozzy's friend, actually built that car out to spec. So I would totally do that. Bro, if I didn't have a shit ton of money and I was looking to get a car, that fucking wide body Prius ain't bad. Come on. It can't be that expensive. Like with the kit and everything all dialed in, save on gas. Fuck. Why not? Next week we'll have a Gintani exhaust for a Prius. Are you fucking with me? Gintani exhaust for a Prius would be wild, bro. That would be fucking wild. I know you're joking, but like, dude, anything can happen, right? Am I allowed to trade outside New York session via Apex? Yeah, dude. 23 hours a day, homie. 23 hours a day, baby. The only time you can't trade is when the market is closed. Gimbal agrees. Checked out the Beamer with 60 kilometers L mileage hybrid. No, I have not. I very rarely see anything in the car world these days. I'm not really paying attention as much as I used to. Dude, here's another one. I mean, if you like JDM, I mean, whatever. It's not as cool. Forget it. You got an orange SF90, I'd say you're winning. Yeah, I love it, man. It's my favorite car I've ever had. I really do love it. And every time I look for another car, I'm like, Only other thing I think I'd get would be an SF90 Spider. A lot of people hate the SF90, and it's like, I guess they've never driven one before. Allegedly, when I was driving back from the strip yesterday, this is a totally fake story. I would never do such a thing. This is a complete lie. I'm making this up. This is a fantasy. But imagine I was driving home from the strip yesterday, and I was going around 70 miles per hour on the highway. Two guys pulled up behind me, were racing me. One of them was in like an Evo with a very loud blow-off valve that was like... Again, all allegedly, this story is completely made up but not true. But I punched my SF90 and it goes from 70 to 140 in like under 3 seconds. Allegedly, totally a lie, would never speed on the highway. Not what I do, ever. But yeah, SF90 is great. SF90 is a fantastic car. If you've never driven one, it's incredible. It's a fucking insane car. There's not enough road for that car. That's the problem. Like, they made a car that's way too fast for the road. Sorry, do you know if he sent the redeemed MC via X or Insta? Haven't received it yet. I literally redeemed it to your account. You said you're crazy, man, right? Crazy. Yeah. You currently are in there right now. Here. It's activated. I'm looking at you right now. You have a gold name. Have you ever not sped in the highway? I don't ever speed, man. I always go the speed limit. Yeah, you're already in there, bro. I'm looking at you. Right meow. Gold name and everything. How to be tight says, I was at the Mazda dealership the other day for the wife's car. There's 3 Gambala cars, I assume from trades in the showroom. I asked why, because that's weird as hell. Salesperson took me out back another building, absolutely full of weird midlife crisis stuff. There was an 80s Testarossa for $48K that was absolutely tempting, even though I didn't have no space. Even though I have no space, gotcha. Dude, Testarossa for $48K. You can get like a really nice Testarossa, I think for around like 75 to 90, like a really nice one. Am I wrong on that, Phil? Are my prices off? Because I swear I saw one at a Sotheby's auction that sold for like 78. It was like fucking mint. Nothing better than a Ferrari Chanderosa. Yeah. I drive an M3 and feel like there's not enough road. Can't even imagine SF90 yet. You will. You'll get there. Yeah, but like, dude, I mean, I still haven't tracked my SF90. We are going on the track again today to race the 296 challenge. I would love a 296 Speciale. After I drove that challenge car, it's fucking unreal. Sparky Trader says, I was in my Evo yesterday racing SF90. What happened? Did you get smoked? Did you enjoy the the smell of that exhaust? Oh, man. I should just hop on BAT and grab a tank. What the fuck is BAT? All right, I'll be right back with you, folks. Don't go anywhere. We're just getting started here. It is the top of the hour. Nothing happened. We have probably a little bit of a PNC for me here, but I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Whee! And we're back. What's cracking, baby? Oh, I think my back cracked. That's what's cracking. I wish he'd switch views. Watch another streamer, man. God forbid I have a free bookmap stream on with order flow. 10 pounds lighter now. No, I tweaked my back when I was standing up, so I had to go get some ibuprofen. Hypothetically speaking, how fast have you ever driven the Ferrari on a straight highway? Not that you ever could, allegedly. Over 180. Allegedly. What view would someone want over this? Fuck if I know, man. There's always somebody complaining. Remember I said Globex's stream was rock solid yesterday? We're running into the opposite stream today. Hey, what's up, Cam Trades? How are you? Logged myself out of my lucid funded ribs, entered shorts at 8 a.m. for a pitch and catch, and then saw you enter the shorts as well. Extra confirmation from that, and then covered at the London lows, tweeted at you, and shouted you out again. Literally a month of full green. Let's go, baby. Let's see. Nice work, buddy. Do 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 doom 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 doom. Bow bow. Nice. Bang bang. There you go. Bang. Great job, dude. Give it up for Nick. Everyday green. There's a Globex stream. It's every single Sunday through Thursday, except for today. I don't know if we're doing one today. Sunday through Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. I do 2 streams a day now. 2 streams a day. Because 1 stream isn't enough. 2 streams a day, baby. That is terrible. Let's try the final flavor. This one is called Scary Strawberry. Can't wait to see how ass this one tastes. Scary Strawberry. Let's see if this tastes like watered down dog shit. What happened to Nick for a tick? Nothing as far as I know. What the fuck is... What do you mean what happened to them? What? Oh my God, that's so bad. I'm telling you, maybe it's going to take me like 3 or 4 of these things to warm up. But geez. So bad. Just when you think it can't get worse. Jesus. Just Asia Open then. Sure, man. Whatever you want to call it. Micros changed my whole game. Rips, thanks for the help and info. Let's go, NCAB. Was everybody like fucking losing money there? Fucking little snippy, shitty attitudes in fucking chat today. Jesus Christ. Smile. Life ain't so bad, guys. Am I drinking them room temp? No, they're ice cold. They just taste like shit. Scary Strawberries. Shit. God, it's so bad. You're like, why are you drinking it? I don't know, man. I'm trying to get used to it. We'll see. Liquid Death is known for water. I know, but then they sent me a fucking sugar-free sparkling energy drinks. Flavored with other natural flavors. What, like liquid shit? No sugars. 5 calories. 100 milligrams of caffeine. Is my sexuality in question for drinking a Celsius? I love Celsius. Celsius is probably my go-to. It's my number 1. Yes, I use Gamma to create the MC levels, yes. Once I changed micros, my results have gone exponentially better. There you go. Another winner with micros. Oh. We got 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes till the market's open here. 18 minutes. Who won? Aboves or belows? Who won? For this one? Overs? Really? Wow. How about that? Overs 1. Nice. All right, let's do another one. We'll do one for 946. Okay, there we go. All right, Ribs, lately I've noticed that putting my TP on the 8s, for example, is almost certain it will hit other than placing on another number. Do you think I've discovered sauce? Sure, if it works, great. Go for it. Did you finally finish all of the Red Bull? Yes, we are completely through all of the Red Bull. I don't have a single can of Red Bull left in this house. Burb Boy is an influencer, so they send you the trials. Who's Burb Boy? I don't know who Burb Boy is. Burb Boy. Overs, sadly. Yeah. We paid the overs. Market is opening here in 17 minutes, less than 17 minutes. Dude, I don't know what the fuck. Like, how do they actually make this? It's calling you Burt Boy? I mean, they're sending me shit because they want fucking market exposure, but I'm gonna trash it if it's dog shit. This is horrible. We are coming down here. Rolling. That would be tight. That's funny. What's up, Mead? Ribs, when are we gonna get a gaming stream going? When I have time. Is it carbonated? Yeah, it's carbonated. I do not, like, dude, if you want to try it, go for it, but I do not recommend this. This is just terrible. Oh, they're selling the shit out of this thing right now. Let's try this. Let's try to join their cells. See if we can bring this down towards 800. Looking for 810 to fade now. I need a little bit more sauce. There we go. Nice. Like $200 per account or something? I don't know. I forget what we started with. What gym do you go to in Vegas? My own. Their CEO got a public spat with Tim Pool a couple months ago. Really? Was he telling people how shit this drink is? I could see that. Trump on True Social says, talking about oil. We're going for a triple bottom break here. Be careful. Market hasn't opened yet, so it's going to be harder. But if it does break, it should be violent. If you say it's like White Claw, I'll pass. I mean, from what I remember, I've only drank White Claw like once, I think. I don't remember. A long ass time ago. So, I don't really remember. But it just tastes like watered down. It's very much like water. Like flavored water. Not a very bold flavor profile. Wow, if you're still short, congrats. I need to make $1,700 more in these things. Is anyone's trade see messed up? Had to market buy out of my short. What, the limit order didn't work? What's going on? Damn, this thing is really sending it. Sending it. See if they reclaim 90s here at all. We're so close to the open, dude. All right. Oops, wrong controller in my lap. We did not reclaim 90s. I want to see a reclaim of 90s, a little pop up there first. A lot of exchange here right before the open. We're right at 25s. Let's see where we sit here. Nice, good looks there. We have 57 to the downside on the target here. It's 20 handles lower. You could go for it. Might just be better to wait for the open, to be honest. Watching this recheck at 90s here. Where's Chad with the state codes? We went through them already. We got all the state codes already. More algorithms coming in here. I think we're just better off waiting for the open, to be honest. I think we're getting too close to when algorithms are gonna be turning on. A lot of people are gonna be closing their positions, so it makes it a little bit risky. We're so close to passing these, I don't know. Could try to snipe a little nugget, but it just feels like, I mean, I could be patient. I could pass these next week if I wanted to. Couldn't exit either, and then it showed me sub 4,600, which is very blown. I checked, it was at 48,400. I don't know, man. Rip, maybe if you would help us more and not charge so much for your time, people would be nicer. I know, right? First thing that happened this morning on the stream was some dipshit. Fuck you. Fucking non-stop dipshits. Rips, you reckon Richard is still... No, he's been shorting, dude. He said he was shorting 730. Yeah, I missed that little wind up there. That was a nice PNC, but I didn't take it. I was talking myself out of the trade instead of pressing the button. Should have just pressed the button. Yeah, see, I was worried about this. We get that little fucking slam down McJackson there. That's annoying, you know? That's why I stayed out of it. Although, gotta be quick. I should have had it in my lap. Whatever, fuck. I keep on going in between. I'm gonna trade, I'm gonna trade, I'm gonna trade, and so I'm just not gonna trade. I'm gonna wait for the open, wait for the open. Yeah. That's the move, the fucking that I didn't want to get caught in, but I could have easily taken a PNC there. Whatever. And I could have taken a PNC from there to there. Whatever. It's fine. My shit's not in my lap. It's fine. Rips, what keyboard are you using for trading? Stream Deck XL. There's so many people who want to sell this market right now. Look at this. It's so annoying. 10 minutes from the market open now. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. We're going to see a liquidity injection here pretty much every minute going into this, I think, because we have so many algorithms that are trying to get neutral, I think. Oh, Kamani's talking. We condemn attacks on the school. U.S. bases will be attacked, says Kamani, in the region. We're holding here at these lows for the time being. They're trying to trade out these 6720s as well in the S&Ps. We're coming down to that level, 57 quarters, getting close to it. It's a big key level, 57 quarters. Okay, watching on this potential reclaim of 70s. They're trying to cover some right around this 70 area. Okay, there's your 70 covers. Okay, back short. Looking for 57 quarters now. See if we stay weak underneath 70s. We still have some time before the open here. bit of a candle up to those 80s now. Looking for that fade back through 70s. Want to see this dance back to those 60s again, get a flush through 60s. Should be able to get this. And out. Cool. Nice little warm-up trade pre-market. So what do we only need $1,100 more to pass now. What's up, Habubika? So keep in mind, Kamani is talking right now. That's going to give you a lot of volatility. So that was the sniper that I wanted. Little snipe trade before the market opens there. Six minutes till the market opens, James. Rips, do you think Thinkorswim Bookmap is trash? I do, yes. 100%. I think it's a complete waste of money. What's better, Amp or Edge Clear in terms of scaling to 100 lots? They're both, I mean, Edge Clear is an introducing broker. They don't have a brokerage themselves. Amp is a brokerage. They clear. So they're completely different. 1,200 on Globex, another 1,800 pre-market. Now to go jerk off. Enjoy, buddy. Make sure you use lotion. Don't chafe. Gold did some crazy shit. I would expect so. Yeah. I would expect it to do some crazy shit. Wow, look at this beautiful boingy boing off those lows. Good covers at 57.25. Good comms, good comms. Would a fall around 800 be a PC opportunity? I don't know. Quicksand, yo, 5 subs. Thank you so much for the 5 gifted. Wow. What a superstar you are. Thank you. Don't know what that's for. I'm assuming it's because you made it happen today. My man. Let's go. All right, market is opening in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's go, Quicksand. You're a G. Iran will take compensation from the enemy, says Kamini. Whatever that means. Buddy just needs to find a white flag and start waving it. Let's be honest. Missed the spoon feeding, brother. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4 trades this morning. Every single one was green. I don't know what more you want, buddy. 4 fucking trades. Guys are still somehow unhappy. 4 trades. Every single one was a green trade. I don't know what the fuck else you want. You're out showing homes. Well, quit your job and start being a prop firm. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. We have the opposite of last night's Globex stream today. It's just, it's annoying. It's just, fuck. I'm ready to just gamble on stake, to be honest. That's where my head's at. Just gamble on stake. Talk you through the open here. Not that anybody cares, apparently. How'd your meeting go yesterday? It was great. Fantastic. Very good. Good things. Nothing but good things lately. All good things. JD says, how come you don't do zero lag stream? I don't know, because you're a fucking cocksucking loser, dude. Suck my fucking dick, you idiot. Jesus fucking Christ, you people are so fucking retarded. Dude, I can't believe that you actually figure out how to tie your fucking shoes. Jesus fucking Christ. Where the fuck does it say it's not a zero lag stream, you dipshit? Jesus fucking Christ, you're retarded. Telling you, it's one of those fucking days again where it's just like nothing but fucking dipshits. They say it's so matter of fact too. Like, could it be you maybe that's the fucking retard here asking the retarded fucking question? Maybe it's you, huh? Too stupid to fucking think about that. Jesus Christ. What a fucking dipshit you are. Your parents are fucking disappointed in you, pal. Let me tell you this right now. Your parents are like, fuck, that was a mistake. Should have pulled out on this one. Less than a minute now. That was a mistake, honey. Well, can't do much now. Gotta deal with it. What a problem this shit is. I love that when you go off the chat, instantly wants you to fuck his mom. Well, I don't want to. There's only going to be half good genes in that next one if I fuck his mom, because God knows the mom has retarded genes birthing something like that. Let's be honest. All right, markets are open. At a standstill here. I'm not touching any of this. I'm fucking over trading. We traded 4 times. Nobody gives a shit. We all winners given to you live. Nobody gives a flying fuck. Think about how intimidating trading was when you first started. These people don't know what they're asking, man. They are just trying. They say shit so matter of fact, though, brother. You know what I mean? They say shit so matter of fact. Like, dude, why is it that you don't trade the NASDAQ anymore? Like, what the fuck are you talking about, dipshit? Why is there such a long delay on this stream? Like, don't say shit so matter of fact and then we don't have issues. Like, so matter of fact. Those people are just so fucking retarded, man. That's just like so insane. All right, we are having one of the worst opens I've seen all week. This is not it. Yikes. Yikes, this is bad. Let's wait. Yeah, this is shit. This is garbage. Huge pullback from Microsoft now. And Microsoft going red on the 15-minute bars. Google about to go red on the 15-minute bar. It's trying. It's trying real hard to go red on the 15-minute bar. A sweep below 57 would be everything. 13 halves is the level to watch in the S&P. 13 halves. It's going for it. It's going for that juice. Certify took me to live before I got my 5th payout. Damn it. I was really hoping to get that last payout today. Don't you get a payout in anyway? Yo, 10 months for Chandi. What's up, baby? Hey, look at that. 57 quarters. Working like a treat. And 13 halves, almost to the tick. Wow. Why do people get so pissed online? You're just a dude letting us watch people act like they're just... Dude, it's insane. The entitlement for some of the people that watch is just fucking insane. I don't know, man. It's fucking weird. Well, the good news is that you're moving to live with a nice balance. You get daily payouts now, brother. Would be sad if you stopped. I mean, I'm not stopping. Just like yesterday's Globex was such a great stream because there was no fucking retards in it. And then it's like today, kicked off with some moron and then some more morons showed up. I don't know. The bat signal. The retard signal was out this morning. Let's ban the retards. Yeah. Nah, dude, they get really upset when you ban them and they make new accounts. Can't win, man. Just gotta roll with the punches. Just like trading. Roll with the punches, baby. Not a great open, guys. Not a great open. If you're managing this open well, congrats to you. It is not the best open. This is a very unpredictable open, and it should be because given the landscape that we're dealing with right now. Very choppy, very gross. Be careful out there. Missing out on the $4,500 payout that I was expecting. Yeah, well, the good news is you trade your account, you'll get the payout. It's daily payouts, baby. Face checking 800s here. Wow, it's certainly blowing out. They're definitely squeezing this now. We have a little bit of an opening range break here. I'm going to try this long. See if we get continuation above 830 here. Looking for that continuation above 830. Pull back to 800 would be fine for me. Right now we just have displacement. Adding to this for the auction back above 820. Looking for that 830 explosion. A little bit of hesitation here at 820. Caution flag is certainly out. They're trying to auction this back above 820 here. Adding for the push. Looking for this 25 to contracts. Give us that liquidity above 825. We should explode through those 30s for another leg up here. We just have 25 being the line in the sand. Watching 800 here, adding it that pullback to 800, looking for 25s to trade. And they're pressuring 20 a little bit here. S&Ps are definitely weaker. So we have a little bit of divergence here, looking for those 20s to blow out here. Just need that 20 blowout. It's priming. Gotta be patient. It's prime. There's a lot of liquidity that's coming in overhead. I hate to cut this early. Watching for 20 blowout. The more we trade underneath these 20s, the more I lose faith in this position. We just need one little 20 blowout here. God, they're just feathering it so much. I hate that. All right, I'm going to reduce my size here. If they give us another pullback, I'll take it, but let's see. I'm going to cut that. Not giving us that blowout that we wanted. I was looking for a re-challenge of 830s here. Watching on a pullback, see if we can get a better average. S&Ps are starting to play a little bit nice here. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Not now. Okay, watching on this pullback. Back in long. We'll add on a pullback towards 800, adding right there. Sideways market, 815 is the point of control of this certain node. Watching here on this pullback. Adding right here for a reclaim of 800. Looking for 800 to continuous back to 815 here. They are really, really making this difficult, huh? Okay, there we go. Nice little blowout there. Beautiful. Perfect. Pitch and catch off the lows. I got to be touchy with that one. Sorry. I want continuation 325s, but I got to be touch and go on that. So we are $600 away from passing these accounts. It was worth cutting to get a better average, so I'll take it. Look, they're still defending 25, so I guess it was nice to cut. We'll take it. Good comms, good comms. Good comms, good comms. Unders win? Really? Anybody hold for that breakout? That was the one I was waiting for off the open. But, you know, when I'm scalping like that, I'd rather remanage the position, wait for a pullback, get that. But you should be out there. That's a break of 25. You should be out there if you're scalping that. It can go much, much higher. But, like, if you're trying to always seek for more and more points, there's going to be a level in your trading where it's like it's just never going to be enough. We tapped into the previous 4-hour mid. That was kind of the point that I was targeting, that area, that node of liquidity that I was targeting from the open. So, got daily loss scalp by core. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Drop a W if you made it happen on that trade. See, that's why I say take profit up there. That pullback is going to fuck your face. Am I using session volume profile and book map for trade entries or I'm using both. I use everything as confluence for me to get into trades, to have trade ideas. Like that pullback, cutting into that pullback to get a better average is just experience, but you're also using the volume profile from that node. Like we know that node is an 815 point of control, so anything under that we're using for value, right? That's why we built a better average underneath, and I was aggressive in doing so. Is all this making sense? Anybody have any questions about how we traded around that opening node? If you're a scalper, this is a dream, right? This is a dream. Boink, 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 boink. That's a dream. If you're trading around a very respected node, that's going to work. How did you get the 4-hour point of control? I didn't. This is the current session point of control. Good comms. Good comms. Let's go, baby. Building blocks to a better trade. Yes. Not sure if you use 50K fundings or not, but if you did, how much would you risk? I'd only trade micros, probably 3 micros. The Nasdaq's going to move plenty. Three contract full size. Right now, CBD is pretty much flat for both indices, which is expected in this type of environment, right? It's very unpredictable. There's nobody that wants to be the first one in the pool. You see how the MC levels are being almost perfectly respected. We have 1350 to 3250, and we have 57 quarters to 850 evens. It's like, could not be better for my MC folks. Yeah, look at, dude, look at the doji that Microsoft's printing on the 15-minute. Look at the doji on Nvidia. Look at the doji on Tesla. You candlestick traders. Doji's on Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, Tesla. S&P's printing a doji, like on the 15-minute bars. Why market open 8:30, not 8 a.m. or 9 a.m.? It's currently 9:41 right now. We had daylight saving time in the U.S. Assuming that's what you're asking. Wow, on the 15-minute bar. It's crazy, right? And this is why I track 15-minute bars on that. I mean, dude, look at Microsoft. It's fucking insane, bro. That's indecision to a fucking T. So that's like, dude, indecision, by the way, here's some alpha for you. Indecision should lead you to understand that you are not looking to go from here to fucking way up here where we can't even see. Like, you're looking to scalp. Take your scalps. Like, imagine you caught along here and you're so fucking stubborn that you don't close a profitable trade here because you're like, I'm gonna wait. Buddy, understand the environment you're in. And this is why every single question I get, most of my answers are, it's contextual. What's the warning we have right now? We have a new leader of Iran that we're in a war with talking about what they're going to do right now. We have Trump that is unhinged talking what he's going to do right now. We have equities which are printing nothing but dojis right now in the 15-minute bars. That indecision says, look, if you get points and you're on the right side of the trade, take it the fuck off, right? Or sit on your hands. Yeah, exactly right. He's asking why it's 9:30 though. I don't know, because clocks are fucking liars, man. Great short if you caught that. I mean, there's a good reason that you could be short in that market up there. Obviously, I didn't take any of it. I use the 9, the 21, the 50, and the 200 for EMAs. I don't use SMAs. I think SMAs are a fucking joke. EMAs all the way. Just past the top step eval. Let's go. Give it up for Chili Capone. Feels like the good moves will come during your gambling time. I mean, to be honest, like I'm done. This is my funded account right here. I never even touched that today. I'm good on that. Right, I could go for more if I'm trying to get the $7,000 profit target, but like, brother, I'd rather just trade this next week. I'm probably not going to trade tomorrow. We'll see. I'm going out late tonight. So next week, get another payout. That'll be my third payout for those accounts, my fourth payout overall with Lucid. So, you know, I'm not rushing to trade, and I don't think that you guys should be rushing to trade either unless you have a really good look on the market, right? Have a really good look and have confidence in your trade and get your points and get out and stop lying to yourself about like, oh, I should have got this. No, get your points and be gone. Hangover day tomorrow? I don't drink. I don't do drugs. I don't party. Stop being a dick for a tick. Yes, hit it and quit it. Exactly right. That's how you win long-term in this game. Stop looking for the 100 fucking point moves like every single day. Like, oh man. And then stop lying to yourself when you get out of a trade and be like, oh, I could have got more. Like, it's going to cost you over time. It's going to ruin your mental state. Do you trade TPT? I have 50K TPT Pro accounts that I'm waiting to get the email about activation on. I passed them fucking last Friday. Look, I'm a scalper and I'm always going to preach for you going for fewer points because that's what's worked for me over my 12-year tenure of trading. So if you think that I'm going to be preaching like always looking for these huge ass moves that these other fucking nerds are preaching to you, these fucking ICT nerds with broccoli hair that are fucking churning accounts and churning accounts and churning accounts and churning accounts, and then finally they show you one where they're like, we made $75,000 today. It's like, cool, man, you had one trade that you held all day that finally fucking worked. Let's not talk about the 600,000 fucking trading accounts that you churned that you have been funded by your fucking Discord, dipshits. Like, that is so fucking wrong to put that out into the environment because you're being fucking lied to. Oh, guys, look at it. We got $75,000 in our account today. Oh, it's weird. This is the first time you post about it in 3 weeks. Oh, see you again in 3 weeks. Such fucking dipshits, dude, that are lying to you. Check out how they live. They're living in fucking squalor, bro. I wonder why. Because they're spending all of their Discord revenue on fucking challenge accounts. Yeah, then argue it's ROI. Exactly, bro. I'm just so sick of this fucking space sometimes. Like, it's just so rude for you guys to have to deal with that shit. Nice pullback here. Wow. The low that we're looking at potentially to trade is down there at 693. The true value low is 659 spot 50. Hey, Rips, I passed my take profit trader eval. I need less than 700 to pass my 2,000 buffer. All thanks to you. Thanks, Rips. It's you, buddy. You're getting risky down here because if you look at, this is the lower end of the profile, right? You're getting risky down here. There's going to be a lot of smart folks that are covering into this. Lead paint eating sons of bitches, yeah. 946. The lows are going to take this one by a fucking country mile here. All right, let's do a slots prediction here. We're going to do a dollar cap on slots today. Dollar cap on slots, $750 starting. Going for that true value low, 659 halves, 659 halves. Nice fucking boop. Push up right there. A nice little boop skis. We are drilling. Coming into 702 at the lows here. 702, level to watch on the S&Ps. Look for some interference at 702. Watch, yeah, see? Be careful out there, champs. We are in that environment where a piece of news can fuck your face. So be careful, champs. Look at that. Be careful, be careful. That's the environment that you're in. It looks beautiful until it doesn't. It's like, you know, you go out, you go into the bar, you have about 16 beers, you have 3 shots of tequila, 2 shots of bourbon, cap it off with a White Claw. It looks good until it doesn't. You wake up next to a fucking wildebeest and you wonder how you got there. You listen to her talk for the first time, it's like, Gorlock, is that you? Holy shit! Be careful out there. Be careful. Be careful out there. And that is how I met your mother. Is that why you stopped drinking? You woke up next to Gorlock? Nope. Nope. I stopped drinking because I got tired of it. I partied way too hard in my 20s, my early 20s. Too much money, too much time. Which indicators you use in TradingView? My indicators. This, Rips Key Levels, it's available for free. And then of course, Rip Scalper Pro, which is not out yet, but it's coming soon. So those are my indicators. I also use Visible Range Volume Profile. That's it. That's me. Keep it nice, light, and tight. Unlike Gorlock. That's a wizard sleeve. What were you doing before trading? Trading. And then even more trading. I built and sold brands. It's the ETA on Rip Scalper Pro. The problem is I keep having to do shit, right? So we're filming content today for at least like 8-9 hours. And then, yeah, I mean, when I have time, I'm trying, dude. I got 2 streams a day takes up a lot of time. Boom, boom. Bruh, love you, man. You have thought me so much. Made 3K just watching momentum, order flow, not being greedy, and looking at key levels. Let's go, baby. Imagine trying to reshort that. Ooh. Isn't it crazy too how I said 702 to the downside is your level where you're going to see a lot of interference, and what the fuck happens? Right? Says, hey Rips, can I redeem my points now for a Lucid account today? Sure, go for it. Do it right now and let me know what your username is on X or on Instagram. If you're having a good trading day and I did something to help you, drop a W in chat. I'm curious. If I didn't do anything to help you and I fucked your life up, drop an L. Let's see. Whee! Nice. Yes, thank you. All right, I feel better now. It's good, it's good, it's good. Good shit. Long from that 702 made 800. Let's go, baby. 702 was screamed from the mountaintops. I said 702 will bring you interference, and we brought yourselves an 18 handle candle Randall. Okay, let's see. What is your name on Instagram or Twitter? Please. Rips, I don't understand anything of your trade. Can you please explain? Just watch more of the streams and it'll make sense over time. The more you watch, the more it'll make sense, right? The more you watch, the more it'll make sense. My name is Kehuisi. Okay, let me find you. What'd you get? 50K Lucid Pro. Let's get you. Get you shooted and booted. Kehuisi. And you do follow me. My man. Are you a Trojan? No, wait, that's not Trojans. Who is that? You're not a Trojan. What are you? What is that? I mean, it's Trojan colors. What are you? Talk dirty to me. What are you? Iowa State Cyclones. There we go. Give it up. I mean, you guys copied the Trojans colors. Son of a bitch. All right, let's get you your Lucid 50K. Lucid 50K Pro. Let's go. 100% off for you, my friend. 50K Lucid Pro. There you go. Bang. Boop, 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 boop. Go do do do. Give it up for Ksh. Is that how you say your name, by the way? Ksh. Wow, nice PNC there. Holy shit, I'm not even looking at this. Holy fuck. Anybody catch that? That was fucking money in the bank, Shardy. What you drank? That was sick. I know somebody had to have caught that. Come on now. Yes. Oh my god, everybody. Everybody did. What am I saying? Everybody got it. That's funny as fuck. I tune in from the UK. Love you, Rips. Best out there. Thank you, pal. Appreciate you. Damn, that was a good fuck. I wasn't even looking at the charts, man. Holy shit, that was good. God damn, that was like almost 100. That was almost a straight honey bun. Fucking 20 points in the S&P. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable. Missed it, too busy working. That's okay, it's okay. Yeah, that was an insane PNC. Dude, that was nuts. So, dude, look, by the way, here's again, we talk about this all the time. You're either here, right? Because this is your challenge area. You're either in here, right? Look at, this is your shelf, right? So your challenge area is here. You're either in here on that rejection, which is fine, right? Or the cleaner move. Everybody asks me this. How do you know when you get in the PNC? Where's the cleaner move? Right here where we do not retake and reclaim those highs, because what does that tell you? Sellers are still in control. This is a sell the fuck out of everything market. And this right here is your very best entry. And then this takeout right here is your ad. And look at that. Everybody was on the same page of that. That was stops getting blown out. What a beautiful PNC. What a beautiful PNC. That was like textbook Ripsy PNC. What time frame is your heat map? Right now, I'm showing 16 minutes on there, but look, I can do this, and now, look at, we're like tick by tick here. I can expand it. Like, it's whatever I want it to be with my mouse wheel, right? So there's no time frame. I'm looking at all of it, so. Missed it writing out my journal for the day, but it's gorgeous. Yeah, that was, like, that's as clean as you're gonna get for a PNC, baby. That's fucking gorgeously clean. Let's see, do we have an exact fib retracement too? I would assume. Let's see. Wow. Holy shit. Oh my god, look at that. That's a 50% exact retracement, almost to the fucking tick. So that's your primer, that's your entry, right? Primer, entry, primer, entry. It can't get any more clear than this, guys. There's your primer, there's your entry. And there's your ad right there on that takeout. Holy shit, what a dream. What a dream. That's an account passer if I've ever seen one. God, I wish I had my Apex accounts. I wish I would have had my Apex accounts today. I don't have them. I need to buy them. Wish I had my TPT accounts to trade. I would have fucking crushed it. Do. What is the PNC, y'all? Pitch and catch. If you're new here, go to my YouTube channel, search pitch, and it'll pop up a bunch of videos talking about it, and we just kind of reviewed it right there. 1K profit today. Thank you, Rips. I'm done for my day. You are a legend. You are. How to get your indicator in TradeC. It's not in TradeC. It's in TradingView. It's not on TradeC. So you have to wait for the primer move. Makes sense. Might be where I'm messing up. Yeah, I mean, if you do not wait for the primer, you have to have a lot of skill in reading order flow. You're going to get run over so many times if you don't wait for the primer. But again, like if you can understand how to read order flow effectively, you don't need the primer. You can get in and like, you'll often see me get into a lot of moves like that where it's like, people will see me go red immediately on a trade. They're like, why, what the fuck? He's going red on this. It's because it's like sometimes if you have a primer, it's just going to go ahead and go without the move. And I want to be making sure that I'm early to that move, right? And there's some times where I will wait for that primer. But that's, I mean, that is everything right there. That is, if you are talking about pitch and catch, go back and study today's chart. This is absolutely everything. You got the fib 50% retracement, you had the primer, you had the recheck, and then you had the takeout stop loss failure. Like everything in that is exactly textbook pitch and catch. What's your preferred prop firm these days? Check out propfirms.gg. Propfirms.gg. Don't wait for the primer. I get run through like. Yeah, you got to wait for the primer, dude. Primer will save a lot of you guys a lot of money. You will miss more trades if you're waiting for the primer. You will miss more trades, and it's hard to pull the trigger after the primer shows itself because you have to be quick, but, you know. Dude, I don't know if I'm going to be able to drink these things. These are so bad. Ugh. Why do I keep drinking them? How many points does it take to get a free Lucid account? Check your channel point store, brother. If that's the only reason you're watching, I'll just ban you right now. Ever try Spindrift? Yes, yeah, but there's no caffeinated versions of it. Doesn't taste like artificial flavor. It just tastes like somebody fucking poured bubbly water into like juice. It's horrible. It's like so fucking gross. We get points for watching only on Kick. Favorite energy drink, probably Celsius. Red Bull watermelon sugar free is very good too. But I drank like fucking 19 cases of that recently. Rips, do you usually get multiple primers per day? Yeah, of course. Patience is key, man. Of course you're gonna get multiple primers per day. And dude, all it is, guys, is just put a fucking stop loss. Like, wait for the primer, put your stop loss, and let it work. You don't have to add. You don't have to be aggressive. You don't have to be like all advanced adding into momentum and shit. It's okay. If you haven't tried Bum Energy? Oh, we got some news. Let's see. Bum Energy? What the fuck is... Bum Energy drinks. Let's see. Root beer. No artificial colors. That's nice. I mean, this looks alright. Iced tea and lemonade. I love Arnold Palmer's. Why is it so expensive, bro? $30 for what? How many? For 12? What are you, out of your mind? Out of all these dudes on social media, you're the realest, Rips. Because I've been trading as a professional for much longer. Like, none of these guys have traded as a professional. You have to remember, there's another popular streamer out there. All during COVID, he traded a fucking paper account and lied to people. He traded a paper account in small caps and lied to people. What makes you think the line's gonna stop anytime soon? Once a liar, always a liar. Shocker. Have you tried Monster Rehab? No, I don't. I can't have any sugar. Who was that? I don't know, man. It's more like who isn't that? Let's be honest. Who isn't that? Let's be honest. Pitch and catch to the upside, yes. But this is a harder one, right? So this is your primer, right? Do you see where the primer is? Do you guys see that on the liquidity? There's your primer, and then there's your entry, right? That's harder to see for a lot of people because it's more spread apart. But if you zoom out, it's really not, right? It's right there. No, Ross Cameron's a goat, dude. Ross Cameron never fucking paper traded publicly. He's a fucking goat, dude. I'm sorry, but he got fucked by the FTC. Like, the FTC is a fucking joke. You guys who think like it's a bad thing, like, oh, he was doing something wrong. No. In his advertisements, he was talking about profitable traders and shit. FTC is like a fucking 3-letter agency from the government that's a bunch of thugs. You think that money goes to help any kind of people that feel like they got scammed? No. FTC ran over. FTC is a bunch of clowns. He got fucked by the FTC. He didn't do shit wrong, dude. Let the guy fucking teach and trade, man. Was Ross's broker statement? Dude, Ross Cameron's a goat, dude. Everything he does is real. Ross Cameron's the goat. FTC just busted their funding accounts and are mad. That's funny. Rips made many millions from people trading and faking videos and stories? What do you mean? What? Dude, Mamba FX is not a real trader. Come on, guys. Jesus. If somebody's trading Forex and they live in America, they're a scammer. It's full stop. Full stop. It's, you trade on futures, you get the tax benefit, and you can't fake a fucking, like if you're trading on a broker, you can't fake size, you can't do all that fake shit in FX. So, yeah. Look for people to trade on a regulated brokerage account or trading on props that they can prove that they can show. Like for instance, here's something that, because I'm not doing my personal account showing it doing any trades in that, but here, I'll show you this. Here's my Lucid accounts right here. Okay. Refresh the page. Okay. Refresh the page. Go to view details. Can't fake this. I'm refreshing the page. Okay, can't fake this. That's what real trading looks like. That's a real trader right there. Okay? Let's demand that at the very least. Right? Somebody's showing you one day for $70,000. Bro, are you getting a perm today too? Yeah, let's fuck up our broccoli hair, dog. Bro, are you getting a fucking sweet perm today? Yeah, my head looked kind of like a tomato. I needed it more like the broccoli. I trade these every day with you guys, right? And I don't have to sit on fucking Twitter for 30 minutes a day being like, no, look, I'm serious, guys. This is an AMP brokerage statement. Look, you can see my size. Here, let me cut a video of me actually showing you 100 contracts on the bid and offer. Like, let me show you covering 100 contracts. Let me show you all this shit. It's belly fake. Like, oh, God. Wasting my fucking time. This is way easier. Hey, look, here's my Lucid account. I trade it every day on stream. You can see all of the trades. Whee! You know? Can I beta test your coming indicator? I'm going to release it very soon. Most of your viewers are broccoli heads? Nah, trust me, they're not. The age of my viewers is much higher, which is why we don't have a lot of retards in here. We have people that are actually winning at trading. Now, Brian Johnson, 47. Somebody just had their 51st birthday. 44, 38, 44, 18, 29, 55. 53, 28, 49, 55, 30, 50, 58, 39, 41, 55, 37, 41. Like, yeah, we have winners in here, guys. We got people who have figured out life. People are not bussing on God. 42, but as a broccoli, yeah, right, dude. You're funny as fuck. That's why we all get along so well. We're sick of the bullshit. We don't have temperament for bullshit in here. 64 been trading for a year. Let's go, Buckle. Let's go. 42-year-old single dad, so no, my son has a broccoli hair though. That's funny as fuck, dude. God bless. Good luck to you, sir. Broccoli heads are watching TJR fake trades. Yeah. Dude, I'm up like 500,000 this week in my unregulated broker that I've never taken a withdrawal from. Oh, God, fuck my life, dude. It's just so ridiculous what I have to compete against. It's fucking absurd. I'm up 500K this week. Yeah, if you are actually here and you are under 30, like Ripsmod said, if you are under 30, you're making the right choice by watching somebody who's doing this for real. Dude, the best thing was he didn't understand. Like, he's like, a limit order is like when the market's going down and a stop order is when the market goes up. That was real. They showed that on stream. It's fucking unbelievable. That was actually real. That was fucking real. All right. I'm going to gamble. I'm going to do my gambling part now. I had a great day in trading. We are $600, less than $600 away from passing these accounts. Hopefully I don't blow the funded account in day one like I did last time. That was fucking stupid. These accounts are $2,300 away from my fourth payout overall in Lucid, third payout overall in these accounts. So that's all I traded today. I don't have my TPT accounts, waiting on them to activate those. Apex accounts I still need to buy. Tradeify accounts, I'm going to wait until next week. That's my story. Okay? I'm going to continue streaming on Kick. The Globex stream may or may not happen tonight for you YouTubers. If you're missing the Globex stream, just tune in to Kick. I'm sure we're going to be live for that. So I got to start filming in less than 2 hours here. So I'm going to do some gambling real quick. Take care, everybody. I'll see you guys later on. Be good. Be safe out there. It's a weird environment.